Hello, welcome to your latest broadcast from the Met Office. As we move through the next few days, in fact the rest of the week, low pressure dominates our weather story once again. Weather systems moving in from the Atlantic, bringing some wet and windy weather at times, and we are keeping a close eye on the end of the week as some deep area of low pressures cross close to the UK, if not over, bringing some wet and windy weather. So it is worth staying up to date to the forecast as we continue through the week ahead. For the rest of the evening time, heavy showers across England and Wales start to ease, though they will continue across southern counties as we move into the early hours. This weather front continues to push into Scotland and gives further outbreaks of rain through the night here. Some hill snow possible for a time as well. In between, some drier, clearer slots, but overall it generally stays cloudy tonight, and temperatures, towns and cities falling to mid-single figures, perhaps a little lower in the countryside, but generally for most a frost-free start to Tuesday morning. Rather cloudy too, any mist and fog patches through the central zone soon clearing away. And then generally it's a bright morning, but we will see some scattered showers developing, particularly later on and into the afternoon, some of these heavy at times. The weather front across Scotland remains in place, further outbreaks of rain here, quite a brisk northerly breeze across the far north, and then later on a weather system bringing cloud and rain across parts of the southwest. In the best of the sunshine, temperatures up to, again, the mid-teens, 15, 16 Celsius, so where we stay dry and we have light winds, it will feel quite pleasant, but another cold day across Scotland in particular. Under that weather front, 7 or 8 degrees at the very best. As we move through into the evening time on Tuesday, this low pressure system starts to move in. Outbreaks of rain across southern parts of England and Wales, spreading into the Midlands as we move into the early hours. The weather front across Scotland does start to weaken, but it leaves a legacy of clouds, some drizzle there too. In between, perhaps a few clear spells, Northern Ireland, northern England, and temperatures generally with a lot of cloud around, holding up well above freezing, particularly in the south where the breeze starts to increase as well. Through on Wednesday, we see the area of low pressure just slowly push its way north and eastward, so everywhere seeing some rain for a time. Some of the rain could be heavy, particularly across eastern areas, and then more persistent rain across Northern Ireland, southern Scotland for the afternoon. Northern Scotland getting away with mostly dry conditions, some sunny spells here, and a few sunny spells also moving in to southern parts of England later on too. Still breezy around the coasts, with a little bit more cloud around for most. It will be a cooler day, but temperatures still cold across Scotland there, 6 or 7 degrees, despite some sunnier spells as cold air remains in place. A few places could get to around 15 or 16 once more if we do see enough sunshine. Then later on in the day, the next weather system moves in for further wet and windy weather spreading through for Thursday, which continues into Friday and Saturday as well, with the winds increasing too. So if you'd like more information on the weather where you are, particularly towards the end of the week when it does turn increasingly unsettled, you can follow us on our social media pages. See you again soon.